Hello, I'm Trevor, a technician at Wilkins Harley-Davidson, and today we're going to go over the different steps in the stage kits to clarify a few things. Stage one is usually the beginning. That is when the customer usually buys his new motorcycle, wants to sound a little bit more, a little louder, wants it to breathe a little bit better. Stage one is usually just the slip-ons and a Screaming Eagle air breather. Gives it a little more air, allows it to breathe a little bit better. And there's two ways you actually can either reflash it or optimize. We can do a smart tune on the dyno. And then when the customer wants a little more power, we go into a stage two, which with the Milwaukee 8s, there's two different designs. You actually go into the cam compartment, we'll cut the push rods, put some adjustable push rods in. There's two different cams. There's a torque cam for the customer that likes the low end, off the line stuff, or there's actually a power cam, which is more, high revs, more horsepower type cam. Stage three, we go into displacement, like the old saying, there's no replacement for displacement. So we can bring your 107 up to a 114, or we can go from a 114 up to a 117. You'll be putting different tappets in it. You'll be going different compression, high compression pistons. And then you go into the stage fours, which is when you're really getting the motor to breathe. You'll be doing Screaming Eagle CNC ported heads. Going up in displacement also you can bring your 107 up to a 128, which is very exciting, and your 1014 and your 117 up to a 131, which the 131 from a stock 114 you're going to get about 21% more torque and about 48% more horsepower. And those are the stage kit.